Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the Describe Image. This is a question type of PTE and speaking module. In Describe Image, you'll be given a picture, and first you have to analyze it in 25 seconds, and then start explaining it in your own wording. So now I'm going to show you how you all can do that. Let's start. So you're supposed to describe all the key features in the image. Firstly, give an introduction. Then describe all the variables. Then mention maximum and minimum values. At the end, conclude your description. And keep it in mind that you should explain all this in 40 seconds only. Thank you all students for watching this video. Hope you all understand it in detail, and please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos.